How to create password on Airbnb account. Are you guys facing issues to create password on your Airbnb account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create a password on your Airbnb account, first of all, open Airbnb account on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account. After you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for profile icon. Just simply tap on profile. After you click on profile, scroll down. After you scroll down, you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on account settings. After you click on account settings, you can see this option for login and security. Tap on login and security. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this interface. And you can see this option for password. You are looking to create password, right? Just simply tap on create. After click on create, write down the new password and again confirm it. Make sure no one can guess it easily. After you write down the password, tap on update password. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add password on your Airbnb account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.